Welcome to our deep dive into Slack integrations that empower operations teams. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficiency and seamless communication are crucial. Slack, as a leading collaboration platform, offers a wide range of integrations that can transform the way operations teams work. From automating workflows to centralizing information, these integrations help teams stay organized, respond quickly, and manage tasks effortlessly. In this video, we'll explore the top integrations that make Slack a powerhouse for operations, highlighting their unique features and benefits. Let's get started by understanding why integrations matter for operations teams. Integrations are the backbone of a modern operations team. They connect Slack with other essential tools, allowing information to flow seamlessly and reducing manual work. By automating repetitive tasks, integrations free up time for strategic thinking and problem solving. Operations teams often juggle multiple responsibilities, from project management to incident response. Integrations ensure that every task, notification, and update is delivered in real time, keeping everyone aligned and informed. This scene sets the stage for exploring specific integrations that can make a tangible difference in your team's productivity and collaboration. Project management is at the heart of operations. Integrating tools like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com with Slack allows teams to track progress, assign tasks, and receive updates without leaving their communication hub. These integrations enable automatic notifications for task changes, deadlines, and project milestones. By centralizing project information, operations teams can quickly address bottlenecks and ensure projects stay on track. The seamless connection between Slack and project management tools reduces context switching and keeps everyone focused on their goals. Operations teams often handle support tickets and incident responses. Integrations with tools like Zendesk, Jira, and PagerDuty bring ticketing and incident management directly into Slack. When a new ticket or incident is created, Slack channels receive instant notifications, allowing the team to respond quickly. These integrations also enable status updates and escalation workflows, ensuring that critical issues are addressed promptly. By streamlining ticketing and incident management, Slack helps operations teams maintain high service levels and minimize downtime. Slack's Workflow Builder is a game changer for operations teams. It allows users to create custom workflows that automate routine tasks, such as onboarding new employees, collecting feedback, or managing approvals. With Workflow Builder, operations teams can design processes that trigger actions based on Slack, messages, or channel activity. This reduces manual effort and ensures consistency across the team. Automation not only saves time, but also eliminates errors, making operations smoother and more reliable. Managing schedules is vital for operations teams. Integrations with Google Calendar, Outlook, and Calendly make it easy to schedule meetings, set reminders, and view upcoming events directly in Slack. These integrations send notifications for upcoming meetings, changes in schedules, and important deadlines. By keeping everyone informed about their commitments, operations teams can avoid scheduling conflicts and stay organized. The ability to manage calendars within Slack streamlines communication and boosts productivity. Operations teams frequently share and collaborate on documents. Integrations with Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive allow users to access, share, and edit files directly from Slack. When a document is updated or shared, Slack channels receive notifications, keeping everyone in the loop. These integrations also support permission management, ensuring that sensitive information is protected. By centralizing document management, Slack helps operations teams collaborate more effectively and maintain control over their files. Data-driven decisions are essential for operations teams. Integrations with analytics tools like Tableau, Google Analytics, and Power BI bring data insights directly into Slack. Teams can receive automated reports, visualize key metrics, and discuss findings in real time. These integrations make it easy to track performance, identify trends, and share actionable insights. By embedding analytics in Slack, operations teams can make informed decisions faster and stay ahead of challenges. Operations teams often manage approvals and requests, from expense reports to access permissions. Integrations with tools like Approve, Workato, and ServiceNow streamline these workflows within Slack. Users can submit requests, receive approval notifications, and track status updates without leaving the platform. This reduces delays and ensures that processes are transparent and efficient. By automating approval workflows, Slack helps operations teams maintain compliance and accelerate decision-making. Human resources and onboarding are critical for operations teams. Integrations with Bamboo HR, Workday, and Greenhouse automate HR processes, such as onboarding new hires, managing employee records, and tracking leave requests. Slack channels can be used to welcome new team members, share onboarding checklists, and provide important updates. These integrations ensure that HR processes are consistent, timely, and engaging, helping operations teams build a strong workplace culture. Managing finances is a key responsibility for operations teams. Integrations with Expensify, QuickBooks, and Xero allow teams to track expenses, manage invoices, and monitor budgets directly from Slack. Automated notifications keep everyone informed about approvals, payments, and financial updates. These integrations simplify financial workflows, reduce errors, and ensure compliance. By connecting finance tools to Slack, operations teams gain greater visibility and control over their budgets. IT and security are crucial for operations teams. Integrations with Okta, Splunk, and CrowdStrike bring identity management, security alerts, and incident response into Slack. Teams receive real-time notifications about security events, access requests, and system updates. These integrations help operations teams monitor threats, manage access, and respond quickly to incidents. By centralizing IT and security workflows in Slack, teams can maintain a secure and efficient environment. DevOps teams rely on integrations with GitHub, Jenkins, and AWS to manage code deployments and monitor systems. Slack channels receive notifications for code commits, build statuses, and deployment events. These integrations enable quick collaboration, troubleshooting, and incident resolution. By connecting DevOps tools to Slack, operations teams can streamline development workflows, reduce downtime, and ensure continuous delivery. Integrations with Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM bring customer relationship management into Slack. Operations teams can track leads, manage customer interactions, and receive updates on sales activities. Automated notifications ensure that important customer information is shared promptly. These integrations help operations teams maintain strong customer relationships and drive business growth. Effective communication is essential for operations teams. Integrations with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet make it easy to start video calls, share meeting links, and receive call reminders directly in Slack. These integrations ensure that teams can connect quickly, collaborate in real time, and stay productive. By centralizing communication tools, Slack helps operations teams maintain strong connections and streamline workflows. Operations teams need quick access to information. Integrations with Confluence, Notion, and Guru bring knowledge bases and wikis into Slack. Teams can search for articles, share documentation, and update knowledge resources without leaving the platform. These integrations ensure that information is easily accessible, reducing the time spent searching for answers and improving team efficiency. Task management is vital for operations teams. Integrations with Todoist, ClickUp, and Wrike allow users to create, assign, and track tasks directly in Slack. Automated reminders and status updates keep everyone informed about task progress. These integrations help operations teams stay organized, prioritize work, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Collecting feedback is important for continuous improvement. Integrations with SurveyMonkey, Typeform, and Poly enable operations teams to create surveys, collect responses, and analyze feedback directly in Slack. Automated notifications ensure that survey results are shared promptly. These integrations help teams gather insights, measure satisfaction, and drive improvements. File sharing is a daily task for operations teams. Integrations with Box, Dropbox, and Google Drive make it easy to share, store, and access files directly from Slack. Automated notifications keep everyone updated about file changes and uploads. These integrations ensure that files are organized, accessible, and secure, supporting efficient collaboration. Timely notifications are essential for operations teams. Integrations with PagerDuty, OpsGenie, and custom alert systems deliver critical notifications directly to Slack channels. Teams receive alerts for incidents, system outages, and important updates. These integrations ensure that the right people are informed at the right time, enabling quick response and minimizing impact. Custom bots can be tailored to the unique needs of operations teams. By integrating custom bots with Slack, teams can automate tasks, answer questions, and trigger workflows. Bots can be designed to monitor systems, collect data, and provide real-time updates. These integrations enhance Slack's functionality, making it a versatile tool for operations. API integrations allow operations teams to connect Slack with virtually any service. By leveraging APIs, teams can automate data transfers, trigger actions, and build custom workflows. API integrations enable Slack to interact with databases, monitoring tools, and third-party applications, expanding its capabilities beyond standard integrations. This flexibility empowers operations teams to create solutions tailored to their specific needs. Cloud services are integral to modern operations. Integrations with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud enable teams to monitor cloud resources, receive alerts, and manage deployments directly from Slack. Automated notifications keep everyone informed about system status and resource usage. These integrations help operations teams maintain control over cloud environments and respond quickly to issues. Monitoring tools like Datadog, New Relic, and Sentry provide real-time insights into system performance. Integrating these tools with Slack allows operations teams to receive alerts, track metrics, and discuss issues in real time. Automated notifications ensure that performance issues are addressed promptly, minimizing downtime and improving reliability. Time tracking is important for managing workloads and productivity. Integrations with tools like Harvest, Toggle, and Clockify allow operations teams to log hours, track time spent on tasks, and generate reports directly from Slack. Automated reminders help ensure accurate time tracking and support efficient resource management. Operations teams often use multiple communication channels. Integrations with email, SMS, and other messaging platforms allow Slack to serve as a central hub for all communications. Automated notifications ensure that important messages are delivered promptly, reducing the risk of missed information and improving team coordination. Social media monitoring is important for brand reputation and customer engagement. Integrations with Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social allow operations teams to track mentions, schedule posts, and respond to messages directly from Slack. Automated notifications keep everyone informed about social activity, helping teams manage their online presence effectively. Marketing tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Marketo can be integrated with Slack to track campaigns, monitor leads, and share marketing updates. Automated notifications ensure that campaign progress and lead activity are communicated promptly. These integrations help operations teams align marketing efforts with business goals and drive growth. E-commerce integrations with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento allow operations teams to track orders, manage inventory, and monitor sales directly from Slack. Automated notifications keep everyone updated about order status and inventory changes. These integrations help teams streamline e-commerce operations and deliver excellent customer service. Logistics tools like ShipStation, FedEx, and UPS can be integrated with Slack to track shipments, manage deliveries, and receive status updates. Automated notifications ensure that delivery information is shared promptly, helping operations teams coordinate logistics and resolve issues quickly. Payment tools like Stripe, PayPal, and Square can be integrated with Slack to track transactions, manage payments, and receive payment notifications. Automated alerts keep everyone informed about payment status and financial activity. These integrations help operations teams manage payments efficiently and maintain financial transparency. Inventory management tools like TradeGecko, NetSuite, and Zoho Inventory can be integrated with Slack to monitor stock levels, track inventory changes, and receive alerts about low stock. Automated notifications ensure that inventory information is shared promptly, helping operations teams maintain optimal stock levels and avoid shortages. Procurement tools like Procurify, Coupa, and SAP Ariba can be integrated with Slack to manage purchase requests, track approvals, and monitor procurement activity. Automated notifications keep everyone informed about purchase status and approvals. These integrations help operations teams streamline procurement workflows and ensure timely purchases. Compliance tools like Vanta, Drata, and SecureFrame can be integrated with Slack to monitor compliance status, receive audit notifications, and track remediation tasks. Automated alerts ensure that compliance information is shared promptly, helping operations teams maintain regulatory standards and avoid risks. Resource management tools like Resource Guru, Float, and MavenLink can be integrated with Slack to allocate resources, track availability, and manage workloads. Automated notifications keep everyone informed about resource assignments and changes. These integrations help operations teams optimize resource utilization and support project success. Asset management tools like Asset Panda, Snipe IT, and Freshservice can be integrated with Slack to track assets, manage maintenance schedules, and receive alerts about asset status. Automated notifications ensure that asset information is shared promptly, helping operations teams maintain asset health and reduce downtime. Environmental monitoring tools like SenseWare, AirVisual, and Netatmo can be integrated with Slack to track environmental conditions, receive alerts, and monitor compliance. Automated notifications ensure that environmental information is shared promptly, helping operations teams maintain safe and compliant workplaces. Facility management tools like iOffice, FMX, and Office Space can be integrated with Slack to manage maintenance requests, track facility issues, and receive alerts about facility status. Automated notifications ensure that facility information is shared promptly, helping operations teams maintain efficient and safe workplaces. Health and safety tools like Safety Culture, iAuditor, and EHS Insight can be integrated with Slack to monitor safety incidents, track compliance, and receive alerts about health and safety issues. Automated notifications ensure that safety information is shared promptly, helping operations teams maintain safe and compliant workplaces. Emergency response tools like Alert Media, Everbridge, and Rave Mobile Safety can be integrated with Slack to manage emergency notifications, track incidents, and coordinate responses. Automated alerts ensure that emergency information is shared promptly, helping operations teams respond quickly and minimize impact. Travel management tools like TripActions, Egencia, and SAP Concur can be integrated with Slack to manage travel bookings, track itineraries, and receive alerts about travel changes. Automated notifications ensure that travel information is shared promptly, helping operations teams coordinate travel and resolve issues quickly. Event management tools like Eventbrite, Cvent, and Splash can be integrated with Slack to manage event registrations, track attendance, and receive alerts about event changes. Automated notifications ensure that event information is shared promptly, helping operations teams coordinate events and ensure success. Communication analytics tools like Slack Analytics, Workplace Analytics, and Shardio can be integrated with Slack to monitor communication patterns, track engagement, and analyze team activity. Automated reports provide insights into team collaboration and help operations teams optimize communication strategies. Productivity tools like Evernote, Google Keep, and Microsoft OneNote can be integrated with Slack to manage notes, track ideas, and share productivity tips. Automated notifications ensure that productivity information is shared promptly, helping operations teams stay organized and maximize efficiency. We've explored a wide range of Slack integrations that empower operations teams to work smarter, faster, and more collaboratively. From project management and automation to analytics and emergency response, these integrations transform Slack into a central hub for all operational workflows. To maximize the benefits, operations teams should regularly review their integration stack, ensure proper configuration, and train team members on best practices. By leveraging the right integrations, Slack becomes a powerful tool that drives productivity, efficiency, and success for operations teams.